Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Ashwini Garg. Today I discuss with you the topic of class 11, subject is business studies and topic of class is objective of business. There are two types of the objective of business, economic objective, social objective. Economic objective are those objective which are used to earn something money. I already explained the economic objective in my previous video. Like as there are three types of the economic objective: profit making, creation of customer, innovation. And the second one is social objective. Today I discuss with you the second objective of the business is that social objective. A business is established in a society. Towards the society, there are some responsibility of the business to satisfy the various type of the party which are related to the business, as well as to satisfy every type of the party, as well as to fulfill every type of the responsibility that, like the person who is unemployed, provide the employment opportunity to that person, like as the employees, to provide salary to the employees on time, like as the investors, to provide returns to that person, as well as various type of the responsibility of the business towards society, that in that society the business is established to give something more and more and extra, like as to help in establishing hospital, educational institution and many more. So like as the social objective is that objective which are necessary for the survival of the business or nation, because in the today competitive world only that type of the business or nation can survive who fulfill their social responsibility toward the various type of the society. Now there are four type of the social objective. Social objective of business can be divided into four parts. First one is high quality goods at fair price. Second one is contribution to community development. Fair returns to investor. Providing employment opportunity. These are the four social objectives of the business that required to fulfill various type of the social responsibility. High quality goods at the fair price, contribution to the community development, fair return to the investors, providing employment opportunity. Now I discuss with you all the objective one by one. First social objective is that high quality goods at the fair price. For the business or nation, it is very necessary that to provide better quality goods at the fair price. Means better quality of goods at the fair price means that if we produce a goods of the better quality of good quality, then we provide the goods at the reasonable price. Reasonable price means that we do not use any type of the unfair means, like the exploitation of the customer with the help of the profiting, black marketing and other form, like as the underweighting of the product, hoarding, anymore, adulteration. So it is the objective of the business that to provide better quality of the goods at the fair price, that many more customers are attracted, many more customers are satisfied, as well as existing customer always related to the business, always connected to the business, as well as new more and more existing customers, as well as potential customer attract to the business and our business will move. So it is the first social objective, providing better quality of the goods at the fair price. Now the next one is contribution to community development. Community का मतलब है that type of the society in which our business is established. In every society, to develop that type of the community and to develop that type of the society, our social responsibility is that to help the society as well as to help in the establishing of hospital, open the various type of the educational institute, help us to open the various type of the dispensary and many more, as well as to help in open the educational institution, college, school. So it is the main social objective of the business that in that society where it is established to provide something better, like as to help in the development of society. After that we provide the educational institution that there is no one to go far away to get education, provide hospital, there is no anyone that there is a particular person, there is no need to go far away to treat various type of the illness, hospital, dispensary, school. So it is the second social objective of the business is that contribution to the community development. Now the third one is fair return to investors. Fair return to investor. Investors are those person who invest money as in the form of capital in the business, because the business is very much fond of the need of money, need of finance. Every business organization need finance for the development, for the expansion, for the running. In any type of the business, in every time, in every situation, finance is required, and finance will be provided to the investors in the form of, like these are the persons, shareholders, debenture holders and other person. Those parties wants to get in the average of their investment. Shareholder wants to get the dividend and debenture holders want to get the interest on their investment. So it is the social responsibility and the social objective of business to provide fair return to the investor, means that to provide dividend to the shareholder on time to satisfy them, as well as to provide interest to the debenture holder, various type of the financial institution. If both the parties are satisfied, then they will provide a good information, better information and positive information to the society. In that way our goodwill will increase. So it is the third objective, third social objective, fair return to the investor. Now the last one social objective is that providing employment. Providing employment means that in that society our business is established, the social responsibility of business is that if there are unemployed person, then providing employment, job to that person who are live in the society, who are the particular member of the society. It is very necessary social objective of the business to provide employment opportunity, to provide job to the unemployed person, as well as to provide job as the disabled person, handicapped person, like as to reserve, to provide extra care to that type of person who are disabled, who are handicapped, and provide a particular job according to their requirement. So it is the main social objective of business is that to face competition, to survive in the market, to establish the business in the society. The social responsibility of business is main social responsibility to provide employment opportunity to the unemployed person and to increase their standard of living. So today I discuss with you about the social objective of business. There are 4 types of the social objective of business. First one is that high quality goods at the fair price. Second one is contribution to community development. Third one is that our providing employment, as well as third one is that our provide the fair return to the investor, and the last one is the providing employment. I hope it's clear to you. Thanks. Have a nice day.